Embarrassing nature, a call to protect our planet. Introduction. In our bustling lives, we often forget that we are intrinsically connected to the natural world. The rustling leaves, the bubbling brooks, and the vibrant colors of flowers. They all wave a tapestry that sustains life on Earth. It's time to rekindle our love for nature and take meaningful steps toward preserving it. But what does it mean for us? Why nature matters? Interconnectedness. Through history, nature has been the common denominator across civilization and cultures. It shapes our ways of life, our traditions, and our very existences. We must recognize that we are not separated from nature. We are part of it. Health and well-being, clean air, fresh water, and green spaces contribute to our physical and mental well-being. When we protect nature, we safeguard our health. Action we can take. Reframe our relationship. Let's break down the artificial divide between humans and nature. We must see ourselves as stewards, not conquerors. Our politics, economic models, and lifestyles should align with this perspective. Conclusion. Loving nature is not a luxury, it's our responsibility. Let's cherish the beauty of our planet, pick up that stray piece of trash, and plant a seed. Together we can create a cleaner, greener world, one where nature thrives and future generations inherit a legacy of love and care. Remember, our action today shape the world of tomorrow. Let's choose wisely. Feel free to personalize this article and share it with your audience. Let's inspire change one step at a time.